We are pleased to show you the 2019 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, MP3 player, power door locks, trip computer, passenger airbag. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.